So here's the all-top compressor. No 12-volt port on this. Straight battery clamps. Let's say it's 11:30. 5 minutes is the time I want. According to one of the reviewers on Amazon, he has a Jeep with 37-inch tires, and he went from 10 to 35 psi in under 3 minutes. This is about 3 minutes. Let's see how much tire pressure I have after 3 minutes. I probably let 5 out right now. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. Is this thing any good? I wanted 5. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'm happy. Let's see what I got in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 76 psi. I'm impressed. I recommend it. 100